So here it is. This was my little filtration process. Got the socks on a string. Whatever goes through there is good. This is the end of the barrels. Are usually the end of the oil is usually pretty bad. A lot of bits in there and sludge, and so this goes through this. 2 spaghetti strainers, gardening felt, and then a strainer made for this 55-gallon drum. Yes, this 55-gallon drum is full of filtered oil. There's 55 gallons of fuel, and if we look along here, we have 45-gallon containers filtered and ready to go. I have not spilled a drop. Five Guys is not my supplier of oil. They just gave me the empty containers of oil, and I fill them. I've got a private supplier, and I fill them through Gene filters. These are the Gene filters covered, and then I put this board down to cover that, keep it from the elements. Of course, you could do this in a garage, but my house is about as big as a garage. This thing's full as well. The tank is full of 20 gallons worth of fuel. So we got 20 gallons plus 200 plus 55, about 75 gallons filtered and ready to go. I'm good for 6 months, I think. Pretty good.